Hi everybody, Akhil here and today I'm going to bake a Christmas chocolate cake. So what we need for this cake is 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 cup maida or all-purpose flour, half cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of broken cashews and raisins, half a lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 of a cup oil. You will also need a cake mold, a baking tray, a teaspoon, a spatula, a sieve, and a mixing bowl. So the first step in making this cake, first you have to take all the dry ingredients and mix it properly. So I'm going to take my sieve and I'll start with my all-purpose flour. I'll just pour everything in and then sieve it out. You can add all the dry ingredients together and then sieve them. Here I'm adding my powdered sugar, and now I am adding my cocoa powder, and now I am adding my baking soda and salt. Now I can sieve them on. Now that I've sieved and mixed the dry ingredients, as you can see, it will look like this. Now I can add my cashews and raisins. I've slightly covered the raisins in powdered sugar. And then I'll give it a small mix. And then I can add my wet ingredients, like my water. One teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And my oil. Now I have added all my wet ingredients and I will mix them with my dry ingredients now. Now that I've mixed my wet ingredients and dry ingredients, I have got this cake batter. And the consistency of the cake batter should be like this. So now it is ready to pour into my cake mold. Now that I've poured all my cake batter into my cake mold, I will tap it once to make sure that it is even. Now I am free to preheat the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I can put my cake batter in for 15 to 20 minutes and your cake will be ready. So now that we have baked our cake, we can do our frosting. So first what we have to do is, you can take any syrup, whatever you like, or like Nutella, and then you can put it over your cake like that. And then you can take your powdered sugar, take a strainer, and then pour some, and then let it shake on the cake to make it look like snow. you want, you can put several layers, but this is my Christmas chocolate cake. Now you can enjoy a chocolate Christmas cake with cashews and raisins. Thank you.